What if I told you the world's thinnest foldable phone isn't just a concept anymore, but it's real, it's official, and it's coming this summer? Samsung is about to rewrite the rulebook, and if you blink, you might just miss it. This isn't just another Galaxy Fold. It's a full-blown leap into the future. Let's unfold what's really going on. It's 2025. We're living in an era where your phone isn't just smart. It's supposed to bend, fold, multitask like a beast, and still fit in your skinny jeans. Last year's Galaxy Z Fold 6 was solid, but let's be real. It felt more like a warm-up than a showstopper. Fans were hungry for more. And now, that hunger might just be rewarded. According to the latest buzz, Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7 is officially launching this July. But what's really causing jaws to drop isn't just the date. It's the thickness, or should I say, the lack of it. You heard that right. Leaked specs suggest the Fold 7 could be just 8.2 millimeters thick when folded. That's 0.7 millimeters thinner than the already svelte Oppo Find N5. Doesn't sound like much? That's a 30% reduction from last year's Fold 6. In tech terms, that's basically a magic trick. Quick pause. You ever try fitting a slice of pizza and a laptop in the same pocket? Yeah, same energy. This thing's about to slim down like it's prepping for a red carpet event. But here's where it gets spicy. There's a twist in the tale. Some earlier reports pegged the thickness at a more believable 9.5 millimeters. So now the big question is, how in the tech-verse is Samsung pulling this off? Can they really shave down a device this much without sacrificing power, battery, or durability? Because let's not forget, this isn't a toy. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to pack a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite chipset, the same silicon monster powering the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Translation? You're getting flagship-level firepower in something that folds like a wallet. Oh, and did I mention the 200-megapixel main camera? Yeah. You're going to look too good on video calls. Just don't blame us if your ex texts you back after seeing your new foldable. But wait, what if Samsung pulls an Apple move and drops something totally unexpected on launch day? Like a Z Flip Fan edition? Or, gasp, no power adapter again? Yeah, we're not over that. Anyway, leaks also suggest Samsung's already started production, which lines up perfectly with the rumored July event. And while some fans are still holding out hope for an Exynos-powered Fold variant, it's looking like Snapdragon is king for now. But here's where it gets really interesting. 2 Galaxy Z Flip 7 test units were just spotted running on Exynos processors. Are they experimental models? Or is Samsung planning regional variants again? It's a mystery that's keeping forums lit and insiders whispering. And now, the ultimate question. Will Samsung drop the Fold 7, Flip 7, and Flip Fan Edition all at once in one mega event? Or are we being set up for a double-stage drama? One thing's for sure, Samsung's summer launch events are never dull. If history holds, we're staring down a mid-July reveal that could reshape the foldable market. Again. So, buckle up. This isn't just a new phone. It's Samsung's boldest move yet to redefine what a smartphone should be. The Fold 7 isn't just coming. It's coming to dominate. Still hungry for what's next in the Samsung universe? Don't miss the Galaxy S26 Ultra. We've got 5 game-changing features in that beast you seriously can't ignore. Click here to dive into that future. Because if Fold 7's the revolution, the S26 is the aftershock. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious, stay techie.